Hello guys, we're back and it's another great day for math. This is a vectors question and we have a triangle OCD. A is a point on OC, B is a point on OD, fine. OA is vector A, OB is vector B. Okay, now the parts when the ratios and parts come in, we need to fill it on the diagram. So OA is 1/3 of OC. So if that's the case, this must be 2A, right? Next, I'll put a tick. Then OB is to BD, is 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. So if OB is vector B, this must be 2/3 B. Okay, so we filled in all that we can. Now we'll, oh wait, there's still another part. X is a point on OC such that BX is parallel to DC. Parallel to DC, B to X, parallel to DC. So DC is here. So let's just do a sketch. Perhaps it looks like this, okay? And perhaps X is here, okay? Right, so next. Just one simple question. Find X to D. Right, so looking at what we have, let's think of possible routes, right? So from X to D, I could go like that, right? X to D, that's one. Or I could go like that and like that. So there are many paths, right, guys? So it's really up to you which one you can spot to be the easiest one, so to speak. So for me, I'm going to choose this path that I'm highlighting. I'm going to find XD by the path of X to B and continuing on B to D. So now the missing component here is XB. So to do that, we're going to use a very common skill in vectors, or rather even geometrical diagrams in triangles, is that with parallel lines, very nice properties appear. Things such as similar triangles. So actually by that similar, or rather the parallel lines, by AA test, actually triangles OBX is similar to triangle OCD. Sorry, not OCD, wrong ordering. OBX, so ODC. And with that, if this is 3 is to 2, it means that similarly BX is actually 3/5 of DC. Why this is important is because with that I am able to find the vector XB from that. So if I wanted vector XB, I'm going to have to find what vector CD is first. So CD is going to take a long path of -3A going the opposite direction plus a 1 2/3 B. Right? So therefore, XB must be 3/5 of CD, which is calculated out to be we're gonna have 9/5 A plus just 1 B. So therefore, actually now, XD is simply XB plus BD, which is -9/5 A plus B plus BD, which is 2/3 B. So final answer, -9/5 A plus 1 2/3. Okay, no, let's just all use improper fractions, right? So 5/3B. And we're done.